$392. Back to another video. So this is probably our second video today. I did the springs today, and we're gonna be doing the Lug-Nuts. Shout out SICKSPEED, that's the sponsor. But today we're gonna be installing spike Lug-Nuts, so we're gonna get into it. Okay, so we got the goodies right here. Now, I suggest using gloves just so that way your hands are dirty. But can you get me a 22 millimeter or 21 mil to take these Lug-Nuts on?
Fucking bitches back here and searching forever.
So we're gonna take these off, and we're gonna. All right, so we're going to be taking this off. Hand me that breaker bar over there. Why you mentioned?
Which one?
To the right of you.
This one, right? Let me see it.
Damn, I got a Lug-Nut underneath there. Shit, just break them. We'll hold off.
You're not gonna change for this? I'm about to shower here.
Break them off. You give me oxy shit. The jacket. Pin it up so the way everything sits properly.
Yeah. Oh, I need the toilet paper.
Hey, yeah. Give me that toilet paper.
Excuse allergies. Excuse my allergies. This dude love allergies. You can put this other plate on or what?
Can you hold that for me? What plate? No. You want it?
No.
I have it. Sponsored by them, so. Do it. Get 'em up.
Spoiler. Yeah, but I don't think they probably don't even make them for my car either.
Good deal. As you can see, got the key nut with it. Now,
big fellow boots. The images are hell in here. The black Nike ones. Oh, you probably have some other ones. Oh yeah, I had the black ones. Not the other tin.
the Nike, baby.
I paid like $180 for mine. Yeah, mine were like that too. I've had two pairs. I wear Garmox now though. Everyone else was everyone was struggling because they had these fucking Walmart boots and shit. Be running those bitches, trying to polish them. The Nike they wore down. Yeah, mine had like a rib from fucking like right here to like all the way back here.
So now that I installed those are just a second piece. And now I need to find something to
You don't need to tighten them, that's tight.
Very bad way to torture someone. Drill through their fucking leg. Hell
Now
yeah.
I'll put the spikes on.
Ah! Dude, it hurt. It hurts. I love the way the other shitty games were like the thigh rub or whatever. The fucking hole. Oh no. No.
What is that noise?
Fucking drill.
Why the hurt? Oh my god. This is a pocket flare.
That's funny as fuck.
What?
He fucking drilled through his pants.
Brandon?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, shitty games.
Big ass.
That's why I wore them here. Let's turn the
Dude, a
pocket.
shitty place, huh?
If I knew I get dirty, just pour those things apart.
Really?
Fucking massive hole.
That's good. That's good. Damn.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hell no.
I don't know how it's gonna look, but it was easy install.
Levi's, what do you think?
Shout out SICKSPEED. I think these are $100. 3-piece lug nuts, 14 by 1.5 thread count. So it's pretty easy. I'm gonna do the whole vehicle and hopefully y'all can see you later. But thank y'all for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, hit the notification bell. I'm at 300 subscribers, so thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay tuned.